Today we're going to be looking at building an integration between Procore and Workday Adaptive Planning using DataBlend. Now the first step is to authenticate with Procore. And to do that, we're going to go to the credentials section and add a new credential and search for Procore in the list. And we're just going to give this a name. Let's call this new Procore connection. Now, if it is a sandbox, you can select this toggle. If it is a production instance, you will leave it unselected. I am using a sandbox, so I am going to select this and then just hit save. Now the access token and refresh token will be blank, but you can connect to your Procore instance by clicking the button over here on the right, which will take you to the Procore login page, and click login, and it will then redirect you back into DataBlend so that you can see that the access token and refresh token are populated. And then if you want to test the connection, there is a test now button that will just let you know if the status is valid or not. Next, we're going to look at an actual workflow in DataBlend that connects both Procore and Workday Adaptive Planning. You can see we have this Procore budgets to Workday Adaptive Planning workflow in my favorite section. And all we're doing in this workflow is collecting budget data from Procore. We're transforming that data in DataBlend, and then we're sending it off to Workday Adaptive. The Procore collector step allows you to pick and choose from various objects. You can see all the different objects you have available to you here. Right now, we're just pulling budget view summary rows from our company and from these two projects. And you have a few other fields that you could use to filter out the data if you wanted. For this example, we're just pulling everything. And so what we will do is we will just run this workflow. So this will be taking our budget data that you can see here in Procore, and it will be sending it into this sheet in Workday Adaptive Planning. And you can see that our workflow has completed. You can also view this on your dashboard, and you can see that the workflow completed. You can view each step if you want to. You can download the data in CSV or Excel files if you want to drill into what data was actually sent. And you can also run this workflow right from your dashboard as well. So now if we log back into Workday Adaptive Planning, we can refresh this page. And now we can see those line items that have been loaded into our sheet in Adaptive. And that is how the integration will work between these two applications. Obviously with DataBlend, you can do a lot more. You can connect to any of the applications that we have available, whether it be ERP or CRM or CPM and many more. But that concludes this demonstration for today.